Welcome back friends to Pura Educator the way to the success. Today I am going to start the new series of geography new NCERT of the class 6. Friends, as I have promised, I will start my series of geography of new NCERT from today. Previously I have completed 7 lectures of class 6 old NCERT. This is the new one. And as you know, both the series are important for you because in exams old NCERTs and new NCERTs are equally important for your competitive exams. So friends, I will be completing each and every chapter of both the NCERTs. Till date I have completed 7 lectures of old NCERT. Soon I will be placing other videos also, and I will be continuing with the new series also. Friends, this series I think so it will be completing first because there are less chapters in new NCERTs, and old NCERT will take time because there are lots of chapters and they are a lengthier one. So friends, you are welcome to Pura Educator. We'll start our chapter in detail. First, we'll go through the content, then we'll go into the chapter, and I will be dividing the class 6 chapters in separate videos. I will placing one by one chapters daily, and there are 6 chapters in first class of 6th. So let's start our chapter, the Earth in our solar system. First, we'll go into the content. Friends, the contents are as follows. The first chapter is the Earth in our solar system. The second chapter is the globe, latitudes and longitudes. The third chapter is motions of the Earth. Fourth chapter is maps. Fifth chapter is major domains of the Earth. Sixth chapter is major landforms of the Earth. Seventh chapter is our country, India. Eighth chapter is India, climate, vegetations and wildlife. And two appendix are there, one and second. Friends, you will see the chapters will be repeating in new one and old one. Both the chapters are different. Don't think that they are same only. Both the chapters will be different. So go through both the chapters. The old NCERT will be covering the matter of the old period. They are published before, and this one will be the new, and some contents will be added new to this series. So friends, let's start our first chapter, the Earth in our solar system. Let's start now friends. Friends, our first chapter, the Earth in our solar system. In this, the first page is we will be wondering or we will be seeing the sky in the night time. We will see there are some objects which are bright, which are shining in the night, and some are dim. You will be stunned by seeing the objects. They will be shining like diamonds, and it will be appearing as if they are twinkling. And some are twinkling and some are not. Friends, when you will see in the sky, it will be looking like rivers, and then so we call it as Akash Ganga. Friends, if we see in the night, we'll see bright objects. One of the bright object is moon. Moon changes its position and its different shapes on different days, and I will be telling the names of the particular day or the shape of the moon. The first is the full moon night, when you can observe the complete moon in the night, that is Purnima. That is known as in Hindi Purnima. And on fourth night later, you will see no moon in the night. That day is known as new moon night, and in Hindi it is known as Amavasya. Such day is very clean. You can see the sky very clear, and it is the best night to see the sky. It looks wonderful. Now the question arises, why cannot we see moon and all those bright tiny objects during the daytime? The answer is within the question. The moon is not seen in the day because in the daytime there is sun. Due to its rays, it is bright light, so we cannot see the moon and all other objects which shine in the night, and the objects which are seen in the heaven or in the sky is known as celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. Now there are different types of celestial bodies. Some are very big and hot and made up of gases. They have their own heat and light. Such celestial bodies are known as stars. They emit large amount of energy. Our sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun. But now you will feel or you will think that why we don't feel the heat and light of such objects. Now the answer is they are very far from us, so we cannot feel their heat and light. It may be that some objects light are still traveling and it have not reached today, or it may will be reaching in future days to come. So friends, now I'll see in the next page what new things we'll see. Friends, you may have noticed objects in the sky. They look smaller to you, but in actual position they are very big. We'll understand this concept through aeroplane. Whenever you see aeroplane flying in the sky, it looks small, while when it is standing on the airport, it is very big. The concept is whenever any object is away from us, it looks smaller, and when it is nearer to us, it is appears very big. It is case with the celestial bodies also. Friends, you have also seen the sky during the night time. You may have seen the various patterns and the group of different stars. These group of stars which form the different patterns are known as constellations. Ursa Major and Big Bear is one of such constellations. You can easily recognize small bear or Saptarishi. Sapta means 7, Rishi means 6. It is a group of 7 stars. It is assumed that Rishis are sitting, and you may ask your elder friends or family members or neighborhood members to distinguish between star, planets and constellations? And you know friends, Saptarishi is the part of Ursa Major, constellations. If you don't know these things, I will make you understand. Don't worry if anybody is there for you or not, I am there for you. So don't worry, I will be helping you to make the concepts clear and very easier for you. In ancient times, people used to determine direction during the night with the help of stars. North Star usually help the people to indicate the north direction because it is always present on the poles, north pole, so it is also known as pole star also, and the position is always same, it do not shift from its position. Friends, to locate polar star we take the help of Saptarishi. As you can see in the picture, a girl is locating North Star with the help of pointer stars of the Saptarishi facing towards north. Now we'll make the concepts of other celestial bodies clear. Celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light, and they get light from the sun or stars, are known as planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wondrous. Wondrous means the planets revolve around the sun. It wanders around the sun. The earth on which we live is a planet. You know that? Now, I think you know. Friends, it gets all its heat and light from the sun, and sun is the nearest star. Though we do not feel such type of heat which comes from the sun, because though it is nearest star, it is away from us. If we look at the earth from the distance, it looks blue in color because it is 1/3 filled with water. It gets all its heat from the sun. Say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as moon with the help of the light of the sun. The moon that we see in the sky is the satellite. Satellite means the companion. Moon is the companion of the earth. It revolves around the earth. In the same way as the earth revolves around the sun, the satellites revolve around the planets. Now we'll see some facts about the solar system. Solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets. Before there were 9 satellites and other celestial bodies as asteroids and meteors form the complete solar system. Now friends, we'll see some interesting facts. Do you know that Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them? These are belts of small debris. These rings may be seen from the earth with the help of very powerful telescope. Friends, we'll see other topics in the upcoming slides, and we'll see with the help of pictures so that it will make us understand easier. Friends, as you can see in the picture, there is a sun and around it there are 9 planets. But now Pluto has been removed in 2006 because it was not following its orbit and it was going into the other's orbit. So it is the criteria to be an planet, it should follow its own orbit. So Pluto was removed. Now there are only 8 planets. As you can see in the picture, first around Sun is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, and then Uranus, and then Neptune. It is the earlier publications, so Pluto is also present. See, between the Mars and Jupiter, there is a asteroid belt. There you can see the asteroids. We will deal asteroids in coming slides in detail. Friends, the planets and the moon follow the elliptical orbit around the sun. You can go through the detail through the picture. We'll see the other topics in the slide. Friends, we have discussed about the solar system. Now it is also known as solar family, where sun is the head of the family. Now we'll discuss the head of the family, the sun. Sun is the center of the solar system and is used and made up of hot gases. It provides pulling force that can bind the solar system. Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system, but its tremendous heat is not felt by us because it is very far from us, though it is the nearest star. Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. This fact has been asked in most of the competitive exams. Now we'll see the family of the solar system, that is planets. There are 8 planets now. Earlier there were 9 planets. Pluto has been removed in 2006. We'll order the planets according to the distance from the sun. The first one is Mercury. It is the nearest to the sun. Next is Venus. Third is Earth. Fourth is Mars. Fifth is Jupiter. Sixth is Saturn. Seventh is Uranus. Eighth is Neptune. Ninth is Pluto. For remembering this order, we'll try to remember one sentence that will make us remember this sequence. My very efficient mother just showed us 9 planets. The first word of all the words denotes the name of the planets. By this sentence, you can learn the sequence. All the 9 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path, in an elongated path. Such type of path is known as orbits. Now we'll see the facts about the planets. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes about 88 days to complete one rotation around the sun in its orbit. Pluto is supposed to be the farthest one. So it takes about 248 years to complete one rotation. Venus is known as Earth's twins because its shape and size is very much similar to the Earth. New planet 2003 UB 313 have been discovered recently in the solar system. It is bigger than Pluto and is farthest from Sun. Now we'll discuss about the Earth. The Earth, which is our own planet. It is third nearest planet to the Sun. If we see about the size, it is fifth planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles and it is bulged in the between. So it is named as geoid. Geoid means a earth-like shape. Do you know Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god. Sola means related to the sun. The family of the sun is therefore known as solar system. Now we'll see other facts. Humans have always been wondering about the night sky. Those who study the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer of ancient India. Now we'll go into the other slide and see the facts and figures which we are important for us. Now let's see it. Now friends, the question arises, why only the earth have life? Answer is, the conditions which are favorable to support life is present on the earth. The first one is, the earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are essential for our survival. Air has life supporting gases like oxygen. It's present on earth. Earth is known as unique planet because of these points which I have discussed just now. From the outer space, if you see planet, it will look blue because 2/3 of the surface is covered with water. Therefore, we called it as blue planet. Now we'll discuss about moon. Our moon is a satellite. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of Earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days and it's exactly the same to complete its one spin, so that we can see only one part of the moon. Whenever you see the moon, you can see only one part of it and other part is away from us because its rotation and revolution is about same and it is 27 days. As a result, only one side of the moon is present. Moon does not have condition which survives or it is favorable to the life. It does not have water or air. It has mountains, plateaus and depressions. Whenever you see on the moon, you will see the patches, black patches. It is these mountains, depressions and plains which is seen as the shadow. So friends, do you know the light travels at the speed of about 3 lakhs kilometers per second? Satellites is a celestial body that move around the planets. But there are human-made satellites also. It is designed by the scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. Such satellites are NCERT, IRS, EDU, SAT, etc. Now we'll see the other facts in the upcoming slides. Friends, now we'll see the asteroids. Apart from stars, planets, Satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. They are known as asteroids. They are found between Mars and Jupiter. Largest asteroid is known as Ceres. Satellites are being discovered and asteroids were also known for, so that the scientists today also say that asteroids are the parts of the planets. Now we'll see the meteoroids. Meteors are the small pieces of the rocks which move around the sun. Sometimes these meteors come near the earth and tends to drop upon it. This process, due to the friction with the air, gets heated up and burn and causes a flash of light. Sometimes meteors, without being completely burned, fall on the earth and creates hole. Cluster of the satellites are known as galaxies. Our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. In ancient time, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky, so that our Milky Way is also known as Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of galaxies which makes universe. Now friends, we'll see other facts, and please you get through the pictures which are given here. Friends, now we'll see where we are and where is Earth, solar system, Milky Way galaxy and universe. Friends, as you can see in the picture here, this is you. You are present in the Earth, and Earth is present in the solar system, and solar system is present in the Milky Way galaxy, and Milky Way galaxy is present in universe. So the largest one is universe. Now friends, I think you are clear with your position, where you are and what is the Earth's place, what is solar system, what is Milky Way galaxy, what is universe. Now we'll do with the exercises. We have completed our lecture here, and friends, I just forgot that this lecture is available in Hindi also. You can go through it. Please, Hindi students, you can go through the Hindi lectures. Friends, the exercise is divided into three parts. First will be the questions, second is multiple choice questions, third is fill in the blanks. Now we'll go with the first part, question answer. How does a planet differ from stars? Planets do not have their heat and light, but stars have it. What do you mean by solar system? As I have said, Sun and the 8 planets and other celestial bodies forms solar system. Third question is, name all the planets according to their distances from the sun. I have discussed, you will mention in the comment section. Fourth one is, why is the Earth called unique planet? I have discussed it, that Earth have life supporting gases, it has air and water, and it is not too hot, too cold. so it supports life. So it is known as unique planet. Fifth one is, why do we see only one side of the moon? This also I have discussed, that moon revolves and rotates in about 27 days, so that only one side of the moon is always available for us to see. Now we'll see what is the universe. Universe, as I have discussed, is the cluster of galaxies. Friends, I have completed the one section. Now we'll go into the other section. Multiple choice question. As in your exams, the questions have been asked. First question is, planet known as the Earth's twins is Venus because of its size and shape. Second is, which is the third planet to the Sun? It's Earth. All the planets move around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. Fourth one is, the polar star indicates the direction of the north. Pole star is present on the north pole, and so it denotes north direction. Now we'll see the third part of the exercise. Friends, just I left one question of the multiple choice. Asteroids are present between the orbit. You will refer the picture. Here I am telling the answer. If you are not able to remember, please go back to the previous slide and see the picture. Asteroids are present between the Mars and Jupiter. Friends, here I have completed the multiple choice questions. Now we'll see the fill in the blanks. A group of dash stars forming the various patterns is called dash constellations. Second question is, huge system of star is called galaxies. Third is, dash is the closest celestial body to our Earth is Moon. Fourth question is, dash is the third nearest planet to the Sun is Earth. Earths do not have their own dash, and dash is heat and light. Friends, here I have completed my lecture. Please visit again. I will be putting upcoming lectures day by day regularly. So visit again tomorrow. I will placing next lecture. Friends, now bye. Take care. Friends, if you like our video, please share, like and comment on it. Please do not forget to subscribe the Pura Educator The Way to the Success. It is a YouTube channel. दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारा काम पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें पूरा एजुकेटर द वे टू द सक्सेस को. Thank you friends. We'll meet you very soon with the wonderful videos, and I will be uploading the videos tomorrow. So please visit again. I will be waiting with a wonderful video for you. So friends, thank you once again.